Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make Nigerian pancakes step by step. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need 1.5 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 cup of milk, and 2 large eggs. Also, have ready a 1/4 cup of granulated sugar, a pinch of salt, and 1 teaspoon of baking powder. Finally, a little vegetable oil for frying will ensure your pancakes are perfectly golden. Now, let's create our delicious batter. In a large bowl, whisk together the flour, sugar, baking powder, and salt. In a separate bowl, lightly beat the 2 eggs and then stir in the milk. Gradually pour the wet ingredients into the dry mixture, stirring gently until just combined. Remember, a few lumps are perfectly fine. Overmixing can lead to tough pancakes. It's time to cook our pancakes. Heat a non-stick frying pan over medium heat and add about 1 teaspoon of vegetable oil. Once hot, pour approximately 1/4 cup of batter for each pancake. Cook for about 2 to 3 minutes, or until you see small bubbles forming on the surface and the edges look set. Then, carefully flip them over and cook for another 1 to 2 minutes until beautifully golden brown. Your Nigerian pancakes are now ready to be enjoyed. Serve them warm, either plain or with a light dusting of extra granulated sugar for a touch more sweetness. They pair wonderfully with a hot cup of tea or coffee, making them a perfect breakfast or a satisfying snack. These fluffy, flavorful pancakes are sure to be a hit with everyone.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.